Our problem statement title is Centralized Digital Platform for Comprehensive Student Activity Record in Higher Education Institutions. Theme of our project is Smart Education. Our problem statement category is software, and we are from team EduVision. For this problem, we propose development of mobile plus web application that solves this problem, where a student will have secure login from email or OAuth authentication. The email will be his institute email. There will be a faculty and or admin verification panel where faculty and or admin reviews the submission or the raised ticket by the students and will approve the raised ticket or disapprove the raised ticket. A student can view his achievements, mark sheets, academics, and also can raise ticket for unconsolidated activities, where it will be by default unverified, and then it teaches to the faculty and faculty reviews it and then verifies that activity. Then coming to auto-generated district portfolio, we have integrated feature so that there would be an auto-generated district portfolio for every student, which can be shared. Also, student can track all his achievement together on our platform, and it is also helpful for the institutions to generate audit-ready reports for NASC, AICT or NIRF submissions. Also, target audiences are colleges, students, Department of Education or the employer or the recruiters. Let's go through our prototype. Okay, so here we are asked for student email. So let's have a Google login. Okay, I have reached Google login. Here I can see all of my achievements here. All of my achievements within tag, its small description, its title. Also, I can filter my achievements and get all my achievements here. Then coming to mark sheet, I can see my all mark sheets here. I can download these mark sheets. Okay. Then coming to my digital portfolio, I can see all my portfolios here along with the skills mentioned. A completely verified portfolio will be available here, so it will also helpful for the recruiters to hire a authenticated student and get from a trustworthy website. There will be an attendance tracker. All of his every month attendance of every year can be found here. A student can raise ticket for any achievement. Let's suppose hackathon winner had some decision. I was an hackathon winner. I can add my student roll number. I should add a file for this. Let's suppose I added this only. Select in category. The file would be in proof, and category would be from among these category. Maybe seminar, maybe some hackathons, or we can say competition. It's in competition. I can submit a ticket. The ticket raise successfully dummy. Okay. So this is an overall my project. I can see my tickets here, where this ticket has been verified. and this is an pending ticket. That's all about my project and project prototype. Also we can go for the yes, we can discuss the feasibility. The major feasibility issues can come with the scalability. For scalability, we will be using an hybrid approach where the core student data would be stored into the National Informatics Center or SDC state data centers servers, and the non-sensitive data like analytics or the pingent or the public reports may be hosted on the private servers. We can use private cloud services for them, so that it makes an horizontal scaling of the project. For the security and privacy, we can use the principle of least privilege, so that when we launch our website, then a bulk upload of data may happen. So we can give a manual privilege to the peoples, to the institutions one by one, so that a bulk upload can be done for a duration of time, and then the bulk upload cannot be possible, so that it does not affect our data, or any security breach may not happen for this data. And a student only can log in through student email IDs. System downtime and maintenance issues. Also this can happen that system may servers may go down, so the time to time maintenance should be done. So the time maintenance may be done at off-peak hours. Scheduled maintenance can be done where, like at the night times, or at time where there is less traffic. At that moment we can do the maintenance, so that users does not face any issues during critical times like placements or internship, or like at the time of admissions in different institutions. This will create a huge impact on the students, where they can get a 100% verified portfolio of their academic, co-curricular and extracurricular activities, which will be approved by the faculty and admin. Since we know that there are 4.33 crore students in higher education, which will get direct benefit in the further studies, jobs and career growth through this app. Also, keeping the record of all the students in one place will cut the paperwork up to 80% and make report generation 2-3 times faster, which earlier required weeks of manual effort. With 100% verified out of the student, the employer can save 50% of their since employer need not to worry about the authentication of the data, since the data will be verified by the trustworthy websites, and he can check the data from only one website or from one place only. He does not need to worry about the authentication, since it is been authenticated by an institute, not by any a government institute or a government agent, not by any private or third party apps. Okay, that's all about my project. Thank you for your